The telephones have been charging for a few hours now. The batteries are still charging up. They're not full yet, but I think they have an adequate amount of charge to get through the video. So, looks like right now the telephones are on Do Not Disturbs. So, let's call it up and see what happens while it's in that mode. Well, nothing will happen if the phone line isn't plugged in. Take two. Okay, so it's only an audible Do Not Disturb.
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Okay, so that seemed to work fine. I'm going to turn this Do Not Disturb thing off as soon as it's done answering the call that's not there anymore. Okay, it looks like the ring is off on most of these. Put that ring on. The ring's on low on that one. Ring is off on this one. Huh. The button doesn't work. Oh. You can't select that? That's weird. I really thought that you could on this. Yeah, so you can on those. That's weird. Okay. So strange. Okay, so it looks like we're missing handset number 3. So let's go through here and delete handset 3. Okay. And I'll fix that later. Well, I guess I could fix it now. We'll have to deregister these two and then re-register them to move them up in the slots, because this should be number 3 now. Okay, and I think we go in here, menu, register handset, and then we do a pound key on here, and that should make it register. Okay, so now this is number 3, and this one should be number 4, and we're holding pound and end to get here. Okay, so now we have a consecutive numerical status for the handsets 1 through 4. Wherever the 5th one is, we may never know. And that's that. Okay, so let's call these telephones again and make sure everything rings. Must have personal ring on. That one on the left is having a problem. Or at least it seemed like it was having a problem. Yeah, that one's having an issue. Huh. That's odd. That's really strange. Let's try to register and deregister it again. It's like missing some aspect of communication. Seems to work okay. The reception is clear. Okay, got that ring signal okay. Now it's doing it again. Huh. I wonder if this phone is broke. Geez, that would be the unfortunate if this is all busted up here. Yeah, that handset's broke. That's weird. It's not ringing either. But then what I'll get is you put it on and it connects and it works just fine. So I don't understand what the problem is here. See, it's not like it's not getting a signal. Yeah, it just doesn't get the call correctly. Huh, that's a shame.
Sunday, 5:06 a.m.
Certainly seems like it's working fine, but then it just don't ring. No, did it again. Okay, well that's strange. Really strange. I guess we'll have to count that one out of the video. Okay, we're down to 3 now. Might as well deregister it, it's not working correctly. I don't want to waste this whole video on trying to figure this out. I'll try to deal with this another day. Geez, that's too bad. I wonder if these weren't very good phones. I mean, they seem very comparable to the 1580, which is one of my favorite sets, but I don't know. Not good. Okay, well, we're down to 3 working phones. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so the behavior has now followed to the last phone that is registered. Okay, so the handset's not broken. Could be something within the base. Well, let's clear the registration out of all of them, and we'll just start over again. Okay, so there's no handsets registered, so we should get an error when we hit intercom. Unavailable because there's no other phones. Base is ringing okay. Alright, let's power this down, and then I'll power it back up. And I'm going to register one telephone, and let's see how it rings. Okay, so let's see how this handset behaves. It's working fine. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. There's her tripod kick for the video. Working okay. Alright, let's try a third handset. Looks good. Okay, let's try the fourth handset. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Looks good so far. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Okay, looks like we're going to be okay. All four handsets seem to be working properly. So that was just some weird glitch within the registration, I suppose. Very strange. Okay, well, it's been a little while, so I'm going to cut this video here. I guess we'll call this like a troubleshooting video or something. And then we're going to go to another video for the initial checkout.